Tensions across Gaza, the occupied West Bank, and surrounding regions remained high on Saturday, despite the ongoing ceasefire between Hamas and Israel showing tentative signs of holding. In Gaza, families of detained medical personnel held protests at Nasser Medical Complex in Khan Younis, demanding the release of relatives held in Israeli prisons. According to Gaza's government media office, Israel has detained at least 362 medical workers over the course of the war, including doctors, nurses, and administrative staff. Protesters say many have been missing for nearly 2 years, with no communication or updates on their condition. The Gaza Health Ministry confirmed that the Red Cross handed over 15 more bodies of Palestinians detained by Israel, bringing the total number returned under the ceasefire deal to 135. Hamas, in return, handed over the body of an Israeli captive overnight. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's office urged Hamas to return the remaining 18 bodies still held in Gaza. On the ground, Gaza Civil Defense reported recovering 9 more bodies from the Zeitoun neighborhood in Gaza City after an Israeli bombardment targeting displaced families despite the truce. Residents attempting to return to their homes described coming under fire near what the Israeli military calls the Yellow Line, an unmarked boundary separating army-controlled zones. Humanitarian agencies continue to warn of catastrophic conditions. UNICEF Senior Emergency Coordinator Hamish Young said nearly all of Gaza's hospitals have been destroyed or severely damaged, while 170,000 people require surgeries that cannot be performed locally. 8 convoys remain installed at crossings, with Israel blocking key entry points. Meanwhile, the International Olympic Committee expressed regret after Indonesia denied visas to Israeli gymnasts ahead of the World Artistic Gymnastics Championships, citing outrage over Israel's conduct in Gaza. In Yemen, tensions also flared after the United Kingdom Maritime Trade Operations (UK) MTO reported that a vessel was hit by an unknown projectile east of Aden, sparking a fire. The incident follows repeated Houthi attacks on ships linked to Israel since 2023. In the occupied West Bank, Israeli forces in Cyprus carried out multiple raids and assaults, killing 1 Palestinian near East Jerusalem and arresting several others. Hamas warned that continued aggression there would only fuel further anger across the territories. The fragile truce remains overshadowed by violence, displacement, and a deepening humanitarian crisis.